So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can run Python in your VS Code. If you have recently installed the VS Code, it may not compile the Python directly. So all you need is just to install the extension of Python in VS Code. Now just simply open your VS Code, and in this left panel, you're gonna find this option that is extension. When you click over there, here in the search bar, you just need to type Python, and when you do that, here you're gonna see once it search all over the internet and provide you with all the Python compilers that are available. Now here you're gonna see this is the Python language support extension. Now just simply install this one. When you click over there and install, now it will install the Python compiler. Now you'll easily able to compile your Python languages and run your Python code in the VS Code. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.